No, it is. It's just like stuck in this. Oh, my eye. Yo, it's finally time. We're working on the Supra, the BMW, the A90, the Mark 5, whatever you want to talk or call it or whatever, you know. I'm just excited, so we're kind of stumbling all over the place. But we're here at Jake Spence facility, aka the coolest garage in Wisconsin, and Beamer World. They're all over the place, so it was only fitting to bring the Supra here to work on it, and I couldn't be more excited. But what is working on your car if you don't have your best pals to do it with? Joffrey, get in here.
Hi.
Yeah,
I'm here.
He's legally obligated because I helped a little bit with the RX-8, so now he's forced to come, so yeah, he's here.
Yeah.
But what we're gonna be doing today is we're looking at getting a downpipe on this puppy and the HKS Catback.
Scat pack.
Yeah, no, so I have the downpipe from MA Performance. They hooked it up. Thank you so much. Literally on my Evo 10 back in the day.
Yeah.
I had an open dump downpipe, absolutely loved it. The quality was phenomenal. We'll get into opening it and checking it out, but I want to shout out them for hooking it up because that downpipe is phenomenal and should go in nice and smooth, right? Yeah. Because working on cars always goes nice and smooth.
Especially
we shouldn't have any
cars.
issues. Yeah.
Right.
Well, I mean, it is nice. There shouldn't be any rust on here. Came from Texas. It's a 2020. What do you mean? I swear. Oh my God. Alrighty, but I'm excited. Wheels, tires, and suspension. Fitmentstreets.com. Not only that, exhaust at MA Performance. Check it out.
There you go. How did you get a lift?
Jake had it.
Cheating.
Yeah.
I didn't want stuff on my floor.
Nerd. So let's get looking at the beautiful downpipe again. This is from MA Performance, and we just got a little bit of weld porn going on here. You can see the MAP logo right here. Just literally really quality products that fit right the first time. And that's not just a plug. I've literally bought their parts for years and years, and I've always had great success. I love them. Now this is a high flow cat. It should sound really good though. It's gonna open it up. If you didn't know, the A90 Supra, it's pretty loud from the factory, like surprisingly loud, but we wanna open it up a little bit more, get a little more rowdy. So we have the high flow cat, and then we'll get into the HKS Catback, which I'm super excited to show you too. All right, and then this is the little bit bigger part. Yeah, here, just throw shit around. It's not our garage. Oh baby. Oh baby.
Well, you didn't even get to the good part.
Yeah, where are the tips? Oh, right here. Oh, we got the blue burnt tips. Oh my God. Now what's super cool about this Catback exhaust is it actually maintains the factory valving.
Oh, sure.
So I can ride around in comfort mode or whatever you want to call it, and it blocks off the one pipe. You put it in sport, opens it up. Bah! Yeah, you know, this ain't no RX-8, you know, Sally stuff. This is some serious Mark 5 Supra stuff, all right?
Let me know when you can shoot some big old fireballs out.
Okay, you might have me on that department, but it is absolutely gorgeous.
Are those like titanium tips? Do they look like titanium?
Hey, yo, fist test. I'm gonna wait till it's on the car to do it. It's not right to do it like
I almost
this.
got ahead of myself.
You can't just do that. You need to have it on the car, and then we gotta get in back of it.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I broke it. No, I'm just kidding. Actually, that's not funny because my ventilation hose, which I should check on because I just have it super glued. The ventilation hose on the intake was the most brittle piece of shit I've ever touched, and it snapped as soon as I looked at it. So I super glued it. I bought a new one, and I got to throw that in there, but we won't worry about that. So now what we got to do is we got to get a little flathead screwdriver underneath here, and then they pop off. All right, so we got the O2 sensors disconnected and the downpipe's ready to come out. We just gotta do all the bolts and the clamps and the things and the, all right, we're going up in the air with it. Ready, clear? Hey Brent, get some of this. Get a little bit of this. You put this in for safety. That's my best friend. Okay, so what we're gonna do, this is so sick. Man, this is like when I worked on cars growing up, all I ever dreamt of. I can't even talk, I'm so happy.
Dakota said that those bolts were 8 mil and gives me a 7 mil, so that's pretty
No, that was Jake. All right, so what we're doing though is we're taking off this belly pan right here. We got some 16 mils, and then I'm gonna have Joel's do the 8 mils that are around it. But yeah, I guess we'll just get cooking. This is so, how hot is the downpipe? Oh, it's warm, but it's not hot. That's all my oil. Oh, I'm just kidding. There's the oil drain plug. So let me just double check that we're good. We're gonna slide it back. Okay. Pull the front end down and then pull it forward. This is like a super sprayer. Where'd you get this like industrial sprayer? I feel like, you know how
what used to be in there?
You know how you
What is the bottom
hey,
say?
you know how you tame cats by like spraying them like naughty bad cat. This is for like taming a lion, like bad jumps.
What was that?
With soapy water.
It don't taste good.
Well, don't drink it.
Well, it's shot in my mouth, so.
I'm gonna shoot in your mouth. Cut.
Fitment Industries out of
Hey guys, before I drop the exhaust and climax right here, Gels knows the full lyrics to the iCarly theme song. Yeah. Every single word. But he won't do it. And I guarantee you he won't do it in this. So comment down below on every video for Gels to sing the full iCarly theme song.
This video gets 10,000.
This video gets 10,000 likes. Gels will sing the iCarly theme. We'll make it an iCarly.
Okay. Yeah, if this
iGels.
video, yes, if this video gets 10,000 likes, I will sing the iCarly.
No, iGels.
iGels.
Hey, are you supporting the exhaust to the full extent of the law?
No, I'm just kind of touching it, I'm not gonna lie.
Because she about to drop. Here she goes.
I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it, Mr. Krabs. I'm feeling it.
Okay. Yeah. All right, now this gets to stay in Jake's garage. Yeah. Okay, next step is downpipe.
Oh.
No, it is. It's just like stuck in this. Oh, my eye. Okay, so sometimes you gotta use a little bit of sloppy meat tools to get to the spots. But yeah, this will be nice because it's in a weird spot up here for the bracket. I don't know, Jake, you want to try using your new tool in there? See if you can.
Yeah, I'll
look,
lay on
I
the
can move
ground
this
here,
like
you know,
this.
like, yeah, while you do nothing.
If you can see this, it's not pretty. But I just want to get it loose enough to the point where we can put the little electric bugger on there. We're ripping off. All right, it should be loose, I think. If it was a Toyota, it wouldn't be doing this, I can tell you that much.
I can't tell if that's a good sound.
That was kind of weird, wasn't it? Got her.
That fart?
Oh, that thing was
Just
sick.
like that.
That farts.
First time. Oh, Brett.
Dakota, do you want it?
Coming.
Do you want to deliver your baby?
I got it.
You ready?
Yeah, we just gotta be careful with the O2 sensors.
Yep.
Make sure the wires don't get caught on anything.
Keep her going. There she is.
That's a big girl.
Woo! Okay, so we're taking the O2 sensors off and transferring them over to the new downpipe. Jake has this nifty tool, if you've never seen it, meant for O2 sensors. You just put it right over the wire like nah, and then it goes in there. Then you can put a ratchet right in there. Now Gels needs his big strong arms so we can bust it loose. And there we go, nice and loose. And then we'll transfer them over one at a time.
I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map!
Okay, so what we're doing here is we are taking the factory exhaust hangers. We'll reuse those on the HKS. Also, we're gonna take this valve off right here That's not the right size socket. Why'd they say 8? But it's not 8.
It's a 10.
It's 100% a 10. Bamboozled. Yeah, since we're in Wisconsin, we only use Milwaukee.
That's all they sell here.
That's we literally have to use it. There's nothing
Very
else.
unfortunate, actually.
Yeah, that's that little shindig right there. Bop, bop, bing, bang. Okay, so we got the downpipe in, we got the catback lined up. The last thing, which is the first thing we did, was just get these O2s plugged back in. So we got the first one right here, good to go. Should just be able to whoop, click. That's good. And then this one should go right there like that. This one's a little farther down, but we still got her. Okay, so I think everything went pretty smoothly except for Brent kicking every single part that's on this car like 12 times. But besides that, everything went pretty smooth. We still got to button it up and get the belly pan on and the support brace. But besides that, we just want to make sure that there's no exhaust leaks or anything like that. So we're gonna do a first startup.
That's the comfort mode?
Yeah, that's in comfort mode. So I'll turn it into sport too.
It's not doing anything.
Oh, so we'll need to figure that out. So we have the valve that turns it open and closed, which makes it comfort mode or sport mode. But we're running into the issue where this isn't lining up with the valve itself, which is just making it a pain in the ass, like the last step. So we're just trying troubleshooting some stuff. It sounds like a couple other people on the forums have had this problem, so we'll see if we can't figure it out. All right, we're gonna rev her a little bit. We got the valve figured out. I don't know how. I prayed to Harry Potter and Hagrid helped. All right. Oh my God, it's so pissed off.
Why is it so angry? Holy bud.
Careful.
What were you going to, like 4? 3, 4?
You just give her a little, you'll be all right.
Hey, you ready?
Yeah. It sounds so damn good. The snaps, bro. Holy I gotta drive it. We gotta, all right, let's button her back up. Holy So the exhaust is done, it's installed. Honestly, went pretty good. A couple little small hiccups,
that
but
one thing
with the valve and but we got it. It works. Yeah. It's functional. Everything works great. It sounds amazing. I can't wait to show you guys in person how this sounds because it's phenomenal. I love it. Thank you, Gels, for helping. Thanks
of course.
to Jake Spence for letting us use his garage. And then make sure to check out MA Performance. If you need any exhaust at all, check them out. But specifically for the A90 Supra, they offer their high flow cat downpipe, and it sounds really good. And yeah, the fitment was spot on. We didn't have to adjust much at all. Everything went really smooth.
The V-band or the V-clamp went right on. It sat right where it needed to be. We didn't have to like tweak it or anything. It was perfect.
Yeah, it was awesome. So don't forget wheels, tires, suspension, fitministries.com. And not only that, you can check out links in the description for the MA Performance exhaust, all that good stuff. And stay tuned for the next episode because we're going to still just keep modding and drilling into this and tearing it up. And there's just a bunch to do. I got a lot of parts sitting in the